What's going on YouTube? Today I have a $10 Explosion De Dinero. It is ticket, over odds are 1 in 3.64. It's ticket number 10. Looking to match our numbers to the winning numbers to win the prize. We really 5x or 10x to multiply our winnings. Then we have 3 bonus areas. Just match 2 like symbols and win the prize. We got a dice and a strawberry. Horseshoe and a horseshoe. Shit, yeah, we got ourselves a winner. Got a gold bar and a spade. Alright, so we got one win up here. See if we can find some multipliers down here to get some good win. Start off with the deuce. 100-man challenge and explosive K9. 45. 38. Texas Scratcher and Kayla Extreme TL. We have Louisiana Scratcher and Jackie Solis. Cali Guy Dustin W. 37. 43. GA Scratcher. Scratching Kentucky. And 3. A Lotto Karma. Sorry. 35. 47. 50. 46. 11. Digitonic 1. The Lovely Animal Scratchers, the sweet Dina Schilling and Gary Roby. And again, thank you very much, Dina, for sending me those tickets. You're awesome. Got Zayden Zizo. 6. 44. And Daily Scratcher and Mudflap. Alright, let's see if we can find some helpers with this matchup here. 24. No 24. 14. No 14. No 15. No 13. Yeah, 13, 14, 15. And 16, of course. No 16. So we got this single match up here. And it is going to be for break-even prize, $10. I'll take it. The Lucky Horseshoes. Alright, YouTube. Like, comment, subscribe. Laters.